Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're looking at two Philips Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, right? The 5400 LatteGo EP 5447/94 and the 2200 EP 2220/10. Let's dive in.
Sounds good. Price-wise, the 2200 is significantly cheaper, at around $680 compared to the 5400's $799. Is the extra cost of the 5400 worth it?
Well, that's the big question. The 5400 boasts 12 coffee options at the touch of a button, while the 2200 only offers 3: espresso, coffee, and hot water. Big difference if you like variety.
True. And the 5400 has that LatteGo system for milk frothing. How does that compare to the 2200?
The 5400's LatteGo is supposed to be super easy to clean, just 2 parts, no tubes, and dishwasher safe. The 2200 uses a classic milk frother, which is more hands-on. Some people prefer the control of a classic frother, but cleaning can be a pain.
I see. What about the grinder? Both use ceramic grinders, which is a plus for durability and consistent grinding, right?
Exactly. Both have ceramic grinders with adjustable settings. The 5400 says it has 12-step grinder levels, and so does the 2200, so they're equal there. Philips claims their grinders are good for 20,000 cups.
Okay, good to know. Anything else that sets them apart, technically?
The 5400 has a coffee customizer, which lets you adjust aroma, volume, and even add an extra shot. The 2200 lets you adjust coffee strength and length, but doesn't mention an extra shot function. Also, the 5400 lets you save user profiles, which is handy if multiple people have different preferences.
User profiles are a nice touch. So the 5400 is more customizable and has more drink options, but the 2200 is simpler and more affordable.
Precisely. And regarding cleaning, both have removable brew groups, which is great. The 2200 mentions an AquaClean filter that can prevent descaling for up to 5,000 cups.
Okay, so ultimately, if you want more features, customization, and ease of use with milk frothing, the 5400 is the way to go, even though it's pricier. But if you're happy with basic espresso and coffee and want to save some money, the 2200 is a solid choice.
You nailed it. It depends on your budget and how fancy you want to get with your coffee. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.